Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com. Behind me there is the International Monument of Indonesia. Yesterday I arrived in Jakarta and now I'm walking around a little bit, the center. Today I want to do a video about the best deposit method for IQ option. And there are many different methods out there. There are many different e-wallets, but I think the best one and the most suitable one for almost every country is Skrill wallet. I will put a link in the description down below. I have a Skrill wallet card myself. This is my Skrill wallet card. I think not everybody is able to access those cards. Only European traders are able to access Skrill wallet debit cards, real cards, but you can activate a virtual card. Virtual card you can put it in everywhere and every website, so that could be very helpful as well. Also, the verification process of Skrill is pretty easy. It's kind of similar than IQ option. Just put your details in there, and once you're approved, you're good to go. Depositing and withdrawing to the IQ option platform and from the IQ option platform is without fees. Remember, you can only get one currency account. That's the one exception headache that I define to have as an international trader. But besides that, Skrill wallet is pretty good. It does what it needs to do, and it saves you from a lot of headaches while withdrawing. It's almost instant and without fees. So that's why I think the Skrill is one of the best methods to make withdrawals and funds from the IQ option platform. I'm gonna go enjoy Jakarta a little bit, but thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. This is Bart, and happy trading.